C mobile app end user's license agreement. Answers. Submit a question. Rate this article. Vertical bracket VOTE equals NONE vertical bracket. Processing. Average rating, no rating. Version published on. Show properties, hide properties. First published August 8, 2012 2 a.m. Last modified August 31, 2013 9:47 p.m. Last published September 27, 2012 12:29 a.m. Article audience. CBS Interactive C Mobile Acula. Article number 000007771. Summary. CBS Interactive Mobile App End User License Agreement. Last updated September 15, 2011. CBS Interactive Mobile Application End User License Agreement. The application, as defined below, you are downloading or have downloaded has been provided by CBS Interactive Incorporated, or its affiliates or licensors, collectively, a Euro or Euro. By installing or using all or any portion of the application, you accept all the terms and conditions of this end-user license agreement, a Euro agreement. Upon acceptance, this agreement is enforceable against you and any entity that obtained the application and in whose behalf it is used. If you do not accept the terms and conditions of this agreement, do not install or use the application. Accordingly, you and C agree to the following. The Euro application consists of the C mobile application, including all content, information, data, designs, code, and materials associated with the application and all derivative works of the foregoing, content and B, any files that are delivered to you by C via online transmission through a third-party distributor, or otherwise, to patch, update, or otherwise modify the C mobile application. The application is the copyrighted work of C and may contain trademarks, service marks, trade names, and other intellectual property of C. If you are accessing the application via a distribution channel, a distribution channel such as the Apple App Store or the Android Marketplace, you and C acknowledge that this agreement is entered into between you and C, that the distribution channel is not a party to this agreement, that C and its licensors are solely responsible for the application and the content, and that the distribution channel will not provide you any support and maintenance for the application. The application is also subject to trademark as terms of use, C terms and trademark as privacy policy, which are incorporated into this agreement by this reference. There may also be additional terms that C presents to you in connection with the application, for example, at the time of download, that also govern your use of the application or the content, additional terms. If there is a conflict between this agreement and any additional terms, the additional terms will control, unless the additional terms expressly provide otherwise. The application may use location-based services to locate you. If you choose to use the application, you consent to C and its third-party providers determining your location. The location-based services features are for individual use only and should not be used or relied in as an emergency locator system, used while driving or operating vehicles, used in connection with any hazardous environments requiring fail-safe performance, or any other situation in which the failure or inaccuracy of the location-based services could lead to death, personal injury or property damage. The location-based services are not suited or intended for family finding purposes, fleet tracking, or any type of business or enterprise use. Other products exist today that may be used specifically for these purposes. 1. Changes to terms. C may make changes to this agreement from time to time and C will post a copy of the updated agreement at C Mobile EULA that will be applicable to installation or continued use after the effective date of the update. You acknowledge and agree that, if you install or use the application after the date in which the agreement has changed,